Leonardo da Vinci mastered painting, anatomy, engineering, and music. He was not born a genius. He discovered a method. 5 principles separated him from everyone else. And today, you will learn all 5. In 1452, a child was born illegitimate in a small Italian village. His name was Leonardo. He could not attend university. He could not join a guild. Society told him he would amount to nothing. But here is what nobody expected. This limitation became his greatest advantage. Without formal education forcing him into one specialty, Leonardo was free to study everything. And study everything he did. Painting, sculpture, anatomy, botany, geology, music, engineering, optics, hydraulics, flight. The list seemed endless. But was Leonardo simply gifted with superhuman intelligence? Modern researchers say no. His IQ was estimated around 160. Impressive, but not unprecedented. What made Leonardo different was not raw brain power. It was method, a systematic approach to learning that anyone can replicate. And by the end of this video, you will understand exactly what that method was. But first, you need to understand the one thing Leonardo did that modern education actively discourages. The first principle Leonardo mastered was something he called sfumato. In Italian, it means gone up in smoke. Leonardo applied this concept not just to painting, but to thinking itself. Sfumato meant embracing ambiguity. It meant sitting with uncertainty instead of rushing toward answers. When Leonardo looked at a problem, he did not demand immediate solutions. He let questions marinate, sometimes for years. His famous painting The Last Supper took 3 years to complete. Witnesses reported Leonardo would stare at the wall for hours without lifting a brush. The monastery prior complained to the Duke of Milan, "Why is this painter wasting time?" But Leonardo understood something that modern productivity culture forgets. If that insight resonates with you, hit the like button now. Great ideas require incubation. Your brain processes problems unconsciously when you step away from them. Neuroscience has since proven this. The default